So basically we provide workshop, and besides that we also provide Canvas tutorial session for the new student. So we want to ensure that you are ready to use this platform before you start your semester 1. Okay? Okay, I just want to check again. Have you received your email account already? Okay, have you tried to sign in to your email account already? Okay, good. Now, the step 1, you need to log in to single sign-on. So you need to go to the my.sampurnauniversity.ac.id. my.sampurnauniversity.ac.id. And then once you have access the website, you will be required to sign in using your Sampurna University email account. So you can just input your email account and the password. Is that clear, guys? Okay. my.sampurnauniversity.ac.id. You can see from my screen, my.sampurnauniversity.ac.id. Oh yeah, sorry. We need to also record the session, so let me try to connect to the Microsoft Teams meeting, sorry. Wait. Okay, there.
Yeah.
Okay, so once you have successfully signed in to the single sign-on, this is the look of my single sign-on. Of course, this is different with the one that you have because you are a student, right? But the key idea here, you just have to scroll down and then you have to find the Canvas e-learning. Okay, exactly like this, and then just click the Canvas e-learning, then you will open the Canvas learning management system. Okay, let me check again. Okay, scroll down, Canvas e-learning. Canvas e-learning over here, Canvas e-learning already. Okay, good. Okay, so once you have access the Canvas learning management system, you will see the dashboard of the Canvas. Okay, so this is the look of my dashboard. Of course, this is totally different because I'm teaching so many courses since 2009, and while for you, I think you only have few courses over there. Okay, so what I want you to do, please try to access one course, and the title of the course is actually NSO Canvas tutorial Spring, Spring. Where is it, Andre? I cannot find it.
Spring 2025.
Oh. NSO Canvas tutorial. Wasn't it?
Except, right? Guys.
This is for. Wait, wait. Wait. Okay, so this is the NSO Canvas tutorial session for SU New Student Spring 2025. Mas Andre, have you invited all the students here into our Canvas already? Okay, so can you find the course in your dashboard? Nothing already. May I know your email account?
Yes. There you go.
Oh, already, yeah? Okay. Is there any other issue?
This one.
Yes, yeah, correct. Okay, let me check again. Okay, how about you? Okay, that one. Please? Okay, good. So this is what, when you open the course, yeah, you will see that there is a page. This is what we call by home page, yeah. So in every course that you will take in Sampurna, yeah, there will be home page, yeah, for every course, yeah, that you take. Now you can see this is the example, yeah, of the home page. So there will be a welcoming message from the lectures, yeah, and then beside that sometimes the lecture can give you also a sample of video. It can be a welcoming video, or maybe just an overview about the course, yeah. Okay, maybe you can try to click the video. This is a sample of a video, yeah. This is about the Sampurna University. You can just check it, you can just click it, okay. Alright, so it is very important for you to really read, yeah, the homepage and then know the expectation given by the lectures, yeah. So for example, yeah, I have given you some tips, yeah, to be successfully using Canvas LMS, yeah. First, you have to follow the facilitator's instruction and then read and learn all the materials given in every module and then fulfill all assignment. Yeah, this is just example, yeah. And then if you scroll down, there will be some button here, yeah. So you can just click this and then you can access all modules, yeah, given by the lectures. And then the second one is about the syllabus. The syllabus is actually an overview of the course plan for the whole semester. Okay, and then if you need help, yeah, you can just check this and then you will see that there are some information about getting help, yeah, or support from our university. For example, if you want to ask about tutoring center, yeah, you can click this and then there will be information about how to connect with the tutoring center, yeah. This is the example. If you go back, yeah, then you will also see the information about the lecturer, yeah. In this case, the information is about the facilitator. Wait a minute, the internet connection is very slow. Okay, another way to access some feature, yeah, in your course is from this navigation. This is what we call by course navigation, yeah, which consists of announcement, assignments, discussion, grades, yeah, your score, of course, people, yeah, so you can see all people enroll in your course, yeah, and then you can also see pages, files, syllabus, and so on, yeah. We have so many features, yeah, in this Canvas LMS. Okay, you need to also always check the lecture information, yeah. For example, you can click the facilitator and then you will see that there is information about how to contact the lecturer or how to contact the facilitator, yeah. Okay, you can just click continue.
Are we doing courses, right?
Yes. Okay, can I continue, guys? Any question about this? Okay. Now, I'm gonna ask you click the modules, yeah. Click the modules. Okay, so this is a student view. Okay, as you can see here, yeah, the first module is about the course itself, yeah. So there will be no information about the content, yeah. And then I want you to also click the campus virtual tour. Okay, do you mind please click the campus virtual tour? Yeah, like this.
It's in modules, right?
Yes, in the first module or module 0. Okay, the campus virtual tour. Okay, now you just click the given link and then try to do a virtual tour, yeah. You can just click, for example, yeah, click the building, the Lavenue building. Yes, that's okay, that's okay. Okay, then try to click this lobby, and then you will see the lobby again. Okay, and then you can choose right direction or left direction.
Yeah, I see.
Okay, yeah. Alright, so this is just example of the activity which can be given by the lecture. Yeah. Okay. Now I will go back to the modules. Okay, now I'm going to give you access to the sample of my Calculus 1 module. Okay, if you scroll down, you will see that there is a module and the topic is about limit graphically and numerically. Okay, is there anyone taking Calculus 1 here? In your semester 1? Okay, if you are enrolled in Calculus 1 in your first semester, then you will meet me, yeah, because I'm going to teach that course. Okay, so
It's in modules.
yeah, you just click modules and then you will see the list of modules that will be given to you for the whole semester. Okay, can you click this, guys? Finding limits graphically and numerically. Okay. Okay, again. So it is very important for you to really understand what topic that will be discussed by the lecture. Yeah, within 1 week, for example, like that. So if you read this, you will know a brief overview about the topic. Okay, and then the expectation from the lecture. For example, I expect you to be able to estimate a limit using a numerical and graphical approach. That is an example. So you know the expectation from the lecture, yeah? And then there will be also some resources given for you. Yeah, it can be a PDF file, yeah, a textbook. It can be interactive software, yeah? And then it can be also learning video. So if you have time, please try to watch the videos given by the lecture. I myself always give you option. So I provide you a video with a short time or maybe a long time. So you can choose which one that is fit with you, yeah? Okay, now this is just example. You don't have to learn about this, of course, yeah? Okay, and then after this, okay, and then you can also check that there is an example of the materials. So please try to click this and then you will get the PDF file for this topic. Okay, this is the example and you can download the material. Okay, and then okay, I also would like to give you example. If you click this words, yeah, the GeoGebra applet, then you will directly connected with this applet. Yeah, this is the example of applet that I use for my teaching. Yeah, my class. Is that clear, guys? Okay. Now Any question about this? Okay, if you don't have more question, I want you to open the last page, which is about the assignment. Yeah, so this is very important for you to really understand the assignment that will be given by the lecturer. Yeah. Okay, so the key idea here, you really need to understand, yeah, the description of the assignment. Yeah. So as you can see in here, it is very straight to the point. Yeah, straight to the point, because I just give instruction for my student to work on the exercise 3.2, yeah, problems A, B, C, something like this. And then you need to also really understand the expectation, because the lecture will give you the rubric, yeah. Please try to understand how can you get 100 points for this assignment, okay? So for example, so there are some criteria that you need to fulfill. For example, you need to show your mathematical understanding. So in order to be recognized or considered getting excellent or 40 points, you need to demonstrate this behavior, yeah, and it need to be reflected, yeah, from your assignment, okay? Okay, now we just need to try. Do you mind please try to submit this assignment? You don't have to work on this. So if you have any file, you can just upload it to the assignment one. Any file, yeah. You can pick randomly, yeah. Oh yeah, another information that you really need to pay attention is actually about the deadline of the assignment. Yeah, please do not miss the deadline. Okay? Otherwise, if you miss the deadline, you will get decrease. Yeah, decrease score. For example, one day you can get negative 10% out of 100. That is the example. So 2 days, yeah, you can get only 80 points maximum. So better to submit the assignment on time, yeah. Or earlier is better, yeah, yeah. Early.
Can you just submit anything?
Yeah, for today, yes, just any file, any file. You don't have to work on it. Okay.
Submit something.
You can just submit anything, yeah, any kind of file, any file. Okay. So once you have submitted the files, the lecturer will give you assessment. So for example, I will click, yeah, for this submission. For the first criteria, it is good, considered as a good, and then completion because you submitted earlier, yeah. Then I will, sorry, if it is complete, then I will give you 40 points, and then if you submitted earlier, yeah, then I can give you 20 points. So in total, you will get 100. And sometimes the lecturer can also give you a solution manual or maybe other feedbacks, input for you to improve your assignment. Okay. So you can build communication, yeah, with your lecturer through this assignment submission. Okay. Can I continue, guys? Okay, I think I can give you maybe 1 or 2 minutes to submit any files. Okay. Okay. While waiting for you, I will continue to the next modules. Yeah. Okay. So far so good. Okay. Any question about this assignment? If not, Yeah, the key idea of using Canvas seamlessly, yeah, is actually do more practice, do more exploration. So you need to access the Canvas, yeah, as much as you can. Don't forget to always read carefully all the announcement, all the materials given by the lecture. If the lecture give you group discussion activity, please try to participate. Yeah, if you have a question related to the assignment or maybe other instruction from the lectures, please ask the lecturer. You can just send email to the lecturer, or maybe you can contact them through Microsoft Teams chat. Yeah, because you already have your Sampurna University email. Yeah, so you can always contact the lecturer through the Microsoft Teams channel or chat. Yeah. Okay, now to learn more about Canvas, yeah, you can access the last module here. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that the Canvas, yeah, can also be accessed through your handphone or tablet. Yeah, of course the feature will be limited, yeah, compared to the apps, yeah, when you access the apps using your laptop or PC. Yeah. Okay, so you can just click this. This is Canvas Student Guides. Okay. So if you want to explore Canvas by your own, you just go to this link, yeah, which is given in the Canvas LMS that I have given to you. This is the guidelines and getting started, and we Canvas already prepare all videos for you to learn independently. Yeah, and then let me go back again. Okay, and then if you want to download the PDF file of the Canvas guidelines, you can just click this. Okay. And if you want to watch a video, a tutorial, yeah, you can just access the link. Okay, maybe I'm gonna show you. Can I have access to the speaker, Mas Andre? Do you mind please help me with the speaker? Because I'm gonna play one video tutorial of the Canvas LMS. Ini Canvas student getting started.
In this video, you will learn how to navigate your dashboard, courses, and global navigation menu in Canvas. When you log into Canvas, the first thing you see is the dashboard, which displays a high-level overview of your current courses. The dashboard can be displayed in 3 different viewing options. Card View displays a course card for each of your favorite courses. Each card can include clickable icons for assignments, announcements, discussions, and files. List View displays an agenda view of graded items from your courses, as well as any non-graded items your instructors designate for a course to-do list. You can also add your own items to the agenda. Recent Activity View displays a string of recent notifications from all your courses, including announcements, conversations, assignments, discussions, and peer reviews. You can also access the course grades page from the course card and recent activity views by clicking the View Grades button. The grades page displays grades for all of your courses. To view grade details for a specific course, click the name of the course. To view a course, click the Courses link in Global Navigation and click the name of the course you want to view. The course opens to the home page set by your instructor. You can use the course navigation links, breadcrumb navigation, or the sidebar to navigate to different areas of the course. The sidebar includes a to-do list that displays links to announcements and other items that require action in your courses, such as assignments, quizzes, discussions, and pages. If your course includes student groups, you can view a list of your groups in course groups. Click the group name to view the group homepage. View recent assignment feedback and recent feedback. Click the assignment name to view feedback in the submission details page. Canvas displays a global navigation menu that gives you direct access to your courses and other areas of Canvas. Click the account link to log out of Canvas, specify your notification preferences, upload and view personal files, modify your user settings, manage e-portfolios, obtain a QR code to log into the student app, view global announcements, and enable a high-contrast user interface. Click the dashboard link to return to the Canvas dashboard. Click the courses link to quickly access your favorite courses and view a list of all your courses. Click the groups link to access groups in which you are enrolled or view a list of all your groups. Click the calendar link to view your personal calendar and course calendars. Click the inbox link to view and send messages to your instructors and peers within Canvas. Click the history link to view a list of course content and content areas you have viewed within the last 3 weeks. Click the help menu to access help resources for your institution. Thanks for watching this Canvas overview video. To learn more about Canvas, ask questions, or engage with other Canvas users, please visit community.canvaslms.com.
Alright. Okay, now I'm going to ask you to try a quiz, yeah? Okay, so if you scroll down the last module, you will see that there is a trial quiz here. You might please click the trial quiz. Okay. And then try to do the quiz, yeah. This is the preview. Okay, so once you see this page here, you just click take the quiz, yeah, take the quiz. And then you can start to answer the question 1. Do you think that it is essential to read the syllabus before the semester start? Trial quiz. Okay, take the quiz.
Trial, is it
The trial quiz, not the Canvas quiz. The trial quiz, and then take the quiz. There are only 2 problems, yeah? Okay. If you have finished, don't forget to click submit quiz, yeah? Okay, how about the second question. Have you got the correct answer for that? That's easy, right? 1 apple is equal to 7. Okay, good job. So, how about the question 2?
So this
Did you get the correct answer?
my brain is still sleepy.
The correct answer is 21. Yeah, good job. 21, yeah? Good job. Just put 21 here. Yeah, and then don't forget to click submit quiz, yeah? Okay, thank you guys. This is just a trial quiz, yeah? No need to be worried. There will be no score given to you. Okay, now last but not least, I want you to go to try do the Canvas quiz, yeah? So you go back to the previous modules and then click the Canvas quiz and then try to do the quiz, yeah? Okay.
That's easy.
So for question 1, there are 2 statements, yeah, related to the canvas. So which statement that is true? So it is still possible, yeah, both the statements are true or correct. The canvas can be accessed through my.sampurnauniversity.ac.id.
We do the canvas quiz.
Yes, yeah. Do you think that the statement 1 is true? True, yeah. Okay, and then the second one. The Canvas LMS also can be accessed through lms.sampurnauniversity.ac.id. What do you think? It is also true, yeah. Okay, so the correct option or the correct answer apa? C, yeah. The third option. Statement 1 and 2 are correct, yeah. And then you can continue to answer the second question. Okay, so how do you use the dashboard? So you can refer to the previous video, yeah. We have watched about the overview about Canvas, right? And the previous video explaining about how to use the dashboard, right? The dashboard helps you see what is happening in all your courses and do not allow you to figure out what to do next. Are you agree with that? No, yeah? Because there are some notification, yeah? Related to all courses that you are taking, yeah? And then the second one, the dashboard helps you see what is happening in some of your courses and allow you to figure out what to do next. Some are all of, yeah? All of your courses. So the correct answer is option D, yeah? Okay, good. The next question, you can once you have finished, you can continue to the last question. Okay, so here you need to identify step by step on how to log into the Canvas. Yeah, so you can just click. Yeah, there are some options here. Is it going to be input your Sampurna University email or click login button or put the password? Yeah, you need to input your Sampurna University email. So this is the first step. The second one, put the password, don't forget, yeah. And then lastly, you can click login and then submit the quiz, okay? Alright. finished with that, last but not least, yeah, we want you to fill out the reflection form, yeah. So you can go back to the last module and then click the reflection page. This is the reflection page. So you can just use your phone, yeah, to scan the barcode, and then you will see that there will be a reflection form to be filled out. So please try to submit your last one. Yes.
Can we just question it?
Yeah. Also, yeah, can. Okay, so once you have finished, there will be certificate sent to your email directly that you have completed the Canvas tutorial session which conducted by CTL. Okay, before we close the session, is there any more question? No? So since you're going to begin your first semester on Monday, right? Yeah, ensure that you have received enough information about courses that you are going to enroll in first semester, and then you can go to the academic registry in 6th form, recheck again the classroom, the schedule, okay? Come earlier, of course, yeah, in the first week of semester, okay? And then once you have met your lecture, yeah, ensure that you receive sufficient information about the course, yeah. Ensure that you have enrolled to the Canvas LMS, yeah, in every course that you take, yeah, in the first semester. Okay. So in the week 1, yeah, the lecture will ask you to discuss about the course overview. So please do not hesitate to ask questions about the course, yeah, about the lecture expectation, about the assignment, the deadline, and so on and so forth, yeah. Is that clear, guys? Good luck for the first semester. Yeah, I hope you enjoy what we call it, student orientation day. Yeah, and I hope you will be succeed in the first semester. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Okay, if you want to contact me, again, you still have access to my module, right? And there is my email information. You can just send me email if you have questions related to the Canvas. Okay? Thank you, guys.
Where's the reflection?
This is the reflection. Just click this. Click this, or you can use your phone to scan the barcode, and then you will get the access to the reflection. Yeah. Yes, Bill. Modules. Go to the last module. Yes, over here. Yeah. Have you got access to the reflection form? Yeah. Don't forget to fill out the reflection. Once you have completed, yeah, the last one, you will receive the certificate, yeah, sent to your email. Don't forget to also input your email account, yeah.
Our personal or
Personal can or email, Sampurna University email. That's okay, yeah. Okay, I think that's all from CTL. Thank you so much, guys. Yay.